Hey guys, it's Vidhi and welcome back to my channel. So as you have read by the title, in today's video I will let Pinterest choose everything for me. Like I'll search everything on Pinterest and I'll choose from the options. So I've seen a lot of YouTubers do the Instagram and YouTube version of it, like in which they let Instagram followers control their day, but I don't have so many followers, so I thought that I can make a Pinterest version. Also, I've seen some of the YouTubers do the challenge where they let YouTube control their day, but I thought that no one has done the Pinterest version till now, so I should go for it. So I have a Pinterest account. I'll link that in the description box below, and make sure you go and follow me. I post many interesting ideas over there also. So without making the intro too long, let's just jump into the video. Hey guys, it's 9 o'clock and I just woke up. So I have my classes from 10:30 to 1:30 right now. So what I'm going to do is go downstairs, freshen up, have breakfast and attend my classes, and then I'll start the video. Hey guys, I'm back and I got done with my classes, had my lunch. It's raining outside and the weather is very beautiful, so we decided to go out for a round, and not in the city area or the marketplace, just somewhere in the outskirts or somewhere and for the video I'm going to select the outfit, makeup and hairstyle right now from Pinterest. So right now I'll be searching for outfit ideas first on Pinterest. So I'm writing outfit ideas casual. And then from the options I'll be selecting one of the outfit. So guys, this is the final outfit that I have selected. I don't know if you can see. So basically, I'll just describe it to you. It is a light pink crop top and a ripped black jeans with boots. So now I'll be searching for a pink makeup look. So I'm writing pink makeup look. Here are the options. I'll not be doing so bold makeup. I'll be selecting something very delicate and simple. So I think this one. So this is the second option, and I'll be selecting any of these two. Now I'm searching for hairstyle. I've searched for hairstyle with bangs. And here are my options. So this is the first option that I liked, and this is the second option. I'll do any of these. So guys, I'm back with the outfit. This is the crop top, and these are the jeans. Classic ripped jeans, and the boots are downstairs. I'll show that to you afterwards. So guys, this is my final look, and I selected the first option for hairstyle and the second option for eyeshadow, and I'll show you the boots that I'm going to wear right now. So guys, these are the boots that I'm going to wear, and they are almost similar to the photo. So guys, the reason why I chose the simple makeup look is because I don't usually wear makeup, not even when I go out or go to college. I just wear makeup when I am filming or I have to attend a party or there is some occasion. So today I was filming, so I did makeup. So guys, I just got back and it's 6 o'clock right now, and as you can see, my eyeshadow has become very light because I did not do any base. I did not apply any base before applying it. So now I'll be searching things to do when bored on Pinterest, and let's see what comes. So here are my options. Also, my phone just got discharged and I had to keep it for charging, so I'm using my mom's phone. So here is the picture that I'm selecting. The first option here is read a book, and the second option is journal. So for the journal option, actually I have made a DIY journal for myself, which I fill every night before sleeping. So I'll do that right now. So for reading a book, this is the book that I'm reading. It's The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent, and it is a very old book. I found it from my dad's collection. I have already completed reading the first chapter, but now I'll start the second chapter from today. So guys, this is my journal and I'm going to fill it right now. So guys, I just got done filling my journal, and please ignore my frizzy hair. I got down from the car and I got a little bit wet, and I just don't know why this happens. Every time my hair gets wet, it becomes so frizzy. So now it's almost 7 o'clock. It's 6:50, and I am planning to search for dinner ideas also on Pinterest because I did not film breakfast or lunch ideas. So let's see if I get something of my choice. So I'm searching vegetarian dinner ideas. No, actually I'll search Indian vegetarian dinner ideas because there are only salads and everything coming if I search vegetarian dinner options. So guys, these are the options and I'll select any one from these. Also guys, there are so many different types of recipes, and I try to select recipe whose ingredients are already ready and we already have it at our home. So guys, I'm selecting Sev Puri because I wanted to have something like this. Actually, I already had chaat, like I already had pani puri yesterday, and all the ingredients are already ready. We just have to bring the puri for it. So I'll go with this. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching Pinterest choose everything for me, and also it would mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so see you in the next video.